to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to which keys to press to get to a task manager in Ubuntu. So in case you are using Ubuntu and you're from Windows and a lot of things are going on, maybe the computer is becoming slow a bit, you want to see which tasks are going on, then you kill them or you stop them, then you don't know what to do. So remember, in Windows you just press Ctrl+Alt+Delete and you go to your task manager. But in Ubuntu things are different, but still you can make it to happen the way you want things to happen in Windows. I'm gonna show you to do that, but here if I press Ctrl+Alt+Delete, it gives me the Windows which talks about to stop the what. It will stop the recording, you get me? So once it stops the recording, once you press Ctrl+Alt+Delete on Ubuntu, it's gonna stop much of the things, because it gives you the logout dialog. So that those keys were set for to terminate the to log out your system. So here I'm gonna give you a trick how to change those keys and use them as you use them in Windows. Click on this and then look for system. Okay, once you click on system, look for settings. So once you click on settings, once you're here in settings, because I was here, I don't want to show you that. You might find it's gonna be like this or whatever. So what you do, you go to search here and say shortcuts. Once you say shortcuts, you're gonna see you're gonna be presented by this said keyboard shortcuts. You just click on that, it's gonna launch everything here. So once it launches everything here, look for a place called look for logout. I'm gonna show you logout. Okay, logout. I'm looking for logout. Look for logout. Here's logout. Once you click on logout, okay, logout here, it tells you, once you click on that, enter new shortcut logout, or you disable. So you can press any other 3 keys you want this button now to be used on. When you want to log out, what can you press? You understand? You get what I'm trying to say? But now here we're gonna do one thing I'm gonna show you. Look, logout. What is logout going on? Okay, escape. I'm gonna say escape. Once I press escape, you know what's gonna happen. I wanted to show you that this logout already took Ctrl+Alt+Delete for you. So since it's taken, you can't use these keys. What we're gonna do, we're gonna change that, or we're gonna disable that. Then we create our Ctrl+Alt+Delete to help us to do what? To cancel tasks. So what you do, when you see something like this, just double click on that. So once you double click on that, if you want to give it another key, you press those 3 keys. But now I want us to disable it, because it says press escape to cancel or backspace to disable the keypad shortcut. So I'm gonna press backspace. I've pressed it, I've disabled this. So once I've disabled this, it simply means that those keys are no more working for that purpose. So those keys are now what? Free. You can assign them to anything you want. Even if you want maybe to take out a terminal, you press that, whatever you want. So I'm gonna cancel here, cancel. You can see if I do that, or it didn't work, but I'm gonna go back and I do the same thing and say backspace, then you say set. Okay, once you set, you can see it's what? It's disabled. It simply means those keys are now free. You can't, no one can use them. No action is used on those keys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna set them to give us task manager like in Windows. So I'm gonna scroll down and I do what? I go to plus. You can see plus here. Okay, maybe your version might be a bit different. If it can say add, whatever, click on that. After clicking on that, I'm gonna name this and say task manager. So now here in the code, task manager. So this doesn't do nothing but just to display, show you what it does. It's a label. So here in the code, put this. You get me? Once you put this, okay, then say add. Once you've added here, you can see it's added, but it doesn't have no keys. Like these ones, all of them, they have keys. So this one is like this, it's like disabled. You understand? So what do? You go and double click on that, then you say set shortcut keys. Once you click on that, it's gonna say you can say press Ctrl+Alt+Delete. Once you've done that, you can see these keys are now showing you Ctrl+Alt+Delete. They are set for that now. So what to do, you click on cancel. After that, you can see task manager here, Ctrl+Alt+Delete. Okay, what is next? I'm gonna cancel this. Sorry. Then I'm gonna press Ctrl+Alt+Delete. You can see Ctrl+Alt+Delete where it takes us. It puts us here. You can see. So I can now click on Firefox under end process. You say end process. Good. So I can go to any other program I don't want it to work to operate. I click on that, I close it. Like, you know, like in the way in Windows, same thing. What happens? Let me click here. You click on settings, then you can see processor name. This is what you see. Process name, GDMX session. You can see this. Sleep status, 400 KB. We can see virtual memory, resident memory, writable memory, shared memory, CPU, whatever. Everything here is being put here. So in case I open another, let me open NetBeans. Okay, let NetBeans start. I'm starting NetBeans, guys. I'm done with everything. If you wanna close the video, you can close the video. Stop the video, it's up to you. But I've done doing this, so I'm just testing. Let it start. Let NetBeans start well. Okay. This is the good thing of Linux. You can set up things like the way you want. In Windows, maybe it's possible, but you know, sometimes it's a little bit difficult. Anyway, most people in Windows, they are not good at customizing things. So now that is there, I'm gonna close this and I tell my program, I'll say Ctrl+Alt+Delete. Okay, now we're gonna look for Apache NetBeans. If it's there, it should be there. Java, we've seen Java here, it's working. Okay, it could be under this Java stuff that I haven't seen it here, but it should be there. See resources, CPU, you get me, CPU 4. You can, if you see, when you click on resources, you can see swap 0 out of this, you know, swap space. Okay, memory, this is the memory we have. 40% is being used for now. Okay, if we close this and we come back, okay, because maybe I'm recording, remind me later. Okay, let's leave that. We're gonna go Ctrl+Alt+Delete again. Okay, wanna see, you can see that NetBeans was taking a lot of memory. You saw that it takes almost, it was 40%, it takes almost 12% when I open it. You can see it takes a lot of memory, you can see. So it's a heavy software. That's why they always tell you that let your RAM be a little bit heavier, because your computer is going to be what it's going to be faster. Why? If you have 2-3 programs which are running and they take almost 12%, the computer is going to become slow, you can see. So guys, this is the way to do things. This is the way to those are the keys now we set to access our task manager. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and also share our content everywhere you go.